Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by powering the Chromecast and getting your iPhone ready. Plug the Chromecast into an HDMI port and connect its power. Use the AC adapter when possible to avoid sleep issues. Once powered, unlock your iPhone and enable Bluetooth and location so Google Home can find the new device. Open the Google Home app and follow the on-screen prompt to add a device. This initial discovery step establishes a secure pairing and reads the Chromecast setup code so you can proceed. Once discovered, complete the configuration in Google Home. You'll scan the TV's code, choose the correct Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Make sure your iPhone remains on the same network throughout. Name the Chromecast and assign a room so casting and voice commands are straightforward. Allow the device to download any updates. Firmware installs improve stability and add codecs. After setup finishes, Google Home confirms the device is ready, and you'll see the Chromecast listed, so you can start casting from compatible apps. To cast, open a compatible app on your iPhone, tap the cast icon, then choose your Chromecast. Playback begins on the TV while your phone becomes a remote. Once done, stop casting from the same icon or disconnect from Google Home. If something goes wrong, no discovery, stuttering, or no audio, restart the Chromecast and iPhone, power cycle your router, and confirm both devices are on the same SSID and frequency band. This restart sequence resolves most problems. If it persists, factory reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.